Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we've got a 2010 Yamaha YZF-R6 with just under 6,300 miles on it. We're going to take a walk around this sport bike and then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. This bike is in mint condition. It has never been down. There are a few aftermarket mods on it. Like it has flush mount front blinkers here. As you can see, the tank is in good shape. Seats are in good shape. It does have an integrated tail kit on it, along with an undertail kit. It's also got a brand new back tire on it. And as you can see in this video how clean this bike is, you can tell it's never been down. Again, here's a shot of that nice clean tank. And the body fairing. Another shot of that flush mount fronts. And it's got a new front tire on it too. $62.96 is the miles on this. This R6 has gone through our 24-point pre-sale inspection. Also comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.